Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm doing kind of an unexpected vlog video. So tomorrow is Friday the 25th and I'm gonna go out of town for Memorial Day weekend. So there's a bunch of stuff I gotta do. I just got off work, so I really want to just do a bunch of things to get my stuff together so that I'm able to go out of town. So the few things I want to do is I want to pack. So really it's like a really quick trip, so I am thinking that this suitcase will be big enough. It's just a carry-on suitcase and it has a picture of a kitty. My mom got it for me, so I really love it. So I gotta go get my list and we shall pack. To do some laundry. I want to put some coconut oil in my hair and then wash my hair. If you guys don't know already, I am doing the coconut hair challenge. I will link that video down below if it's up. But basically I'm putting coconut oil in my hair 1 to 2 times a week. And then after summer's over, I'm gonna see if it made a difference in growing my hair out. Also, one other thing is my wedding ring. I'm wearing a different one right now just because I went to get it checked out and the person who looks at rings and like checks it out said that it was turning yellow on the back of it and that I needed to like send it into their shop or whatever to get it fixed or whatever. So I'm just praying that they don't lose it. It's under warranty, so I know that that's a dumb thing to worry about, but I worry about it. So basically for my coconut challenge, I got like this huge tub of coconut oil, and then I was starting with this tub, which is small, and I got this huge tub. But basically the kind of coconut oil I like is organic, great value, unrefined, virgin coconut oil, and it's expeller pressed. I don't think there's a difference between cold pressed and expeller pressed or whatever. Just so you know, I never melt my coconut oil. My coconut oil comes like in solid. That's how coconut oil comes. And then when you put some in your hand, so like I have a bunch, and then I'm just gonna roll it around in my hand and you'll see that it'll start liquefying. So yeah, yes, I'm gonna start putting it all over my hair. I got the coconut oil in my hair. It smells amazing. Like, I don't know why, but it reminds me of like cinnamon toast for some reason, even though it's not cinnamon. I don't know what it is. It reminds me of something, but I can't remember what it reminds me of. But basically, I just make sure to put it in my roots and smother all of my hair in it and really massage my scalp. And then I put this on so it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm about to look really crazy. So just in case I don't mention it later, when I wash my hair, I'm going to be washing my hair with coconut milk shampoo, and I just bought this stuff. It's like the same stuff as the xoxo brand, I guess. So I'm going to be washing it with that. And then to finish off my hair washing, since you got to wash it twice to get this out, I'm going to be using coconut water by xoxo and the shampoo and conditioner for that. Okay guys, so it's not the best light. So my clothes finished in a dryer and I packed the stuff that I needed to pack. So I'm pretty much all packed. I washed the coconut oil out of my hair and I may have used my special technique, I guess you call it. My favorite stuff in the entire world, gives my hair kind of a sun-kissed type of look. And so I did that to my hair, and lately I've been like really hating my hair lately, just ugh. And because my roots have grown in, and this gets hit by the sun a lot, and my roots are like a little darker, but I'm a natural blonde, so yeah. But I've done a few things to my hair, like I dyed the tips pink in a video. I will link that down below. There's still a smidge pink at the end of my tips, but I was just getting tired with my hair overall, so I decided to do a little highlighting on it a bit and just like natural looking highlighting, you know. And then when I go out in the sun, I'm gonna get highlights anyway. So I feel so much better. I think it looks so much better, and I actually blow dried my hair halfway, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna get a little trim on it, like a dusting trim when I'm out of town. Because I'm growing my hair out, so I think the coconut oil is amazing. I mean, look how shiny it is. So before, oh, you can sort of see my hair here in the light. So, excuse the mess that's behind me, but before I go to bed, I need to sort out my vitamins. So if you look right here, those are like all of my vitamins and like ibuprofen and nose spray, but like look how much that is. And so if you guys have been with me for a while, you know I have a rare gene mutation. So I just found out about it in October of last year. So I have to sort out my vitamins. So I do them in these so that I have a week's worth. And it's just crazy. It's just like so much. Here, I'll put you right here. So, excuse the dishes behind me. I gotta wash those. And trash. But if you look, that's just like all of them. I'm gonna get this ready for the trip too. I nearly forgot. Okay guys, so I am done working and now we got all of our suitcases and stuff ready to go to the airport. And there's a bunch of toys. The lady that I work for brought me all those toys. So, yes. What do you say about that, honey?
Oh.
Yeah, he's excited. And Kitty Butt knows we're leaving her. And miniature kitten. Yeah, are we leaving you? I'm so sorry. It's only for a few days. We're gonna head off to the airport soon and we should be on our flight in a few hours. But it'll be lots of fun. Honey, what are we doing?
Flying away to Colorado.
Southwest is in the process of its final boarding for Austin Flight 2014. We are looking for the following customers.
Yeah, so we're just waiting here forever to get on our plane. So,
please report to
yeah, yes.
Customers on board.
Where are we going, hun?
We're flying. It's not a full flight.
Serving you today.
Yeah.
First time. Not a full flight.
We'll be serving complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee.
It's like empty.
Credit card.
Okay guys, so sorry I didn't vlog last night. We got in at like 2 a.m. and I was like punch drunk. I was so tired. I didn't know where I was or what I was doing. So we just had breakfast and we're just chilling for a bit. Then we're gonna go to a wedding basically. And that'll be lots of fun. And then we're gonna have a party afterwards. So yeah, yes. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to go to the little wedding ceremony and my sister-in-law did my hair. Thank you, Emily. It looks great. It looks beautiful. I like it. And so my outfit is this pretty shirt and a skirt and shoes. That's it. I will vlog more later. Okay guys, so it's Saturday the 26th at like 11:20 at night. Arlie's doing tutoring right now. Yes, and I'm writing a blog post that will go up in a few weeks. So today was pretty good. I wasn't able to vlog anything just because we're just super busy, but got up and had breakfast, which was pancakes and eggs, and then we went to the wedding, which was really, really nice. It was really beautiful. And then we came back here and we had like a dinner together. Stay up, I have to take some medicine and write some blog posts, and we just killed a spider that was huge. So I'm like, okay guys, so you hear piano in the background because Arlie's mom's playing piano. But we're getting ready to go to church. This is my second churchly outfit with my skirt. Yeah, yes. And Arlie's right there doing something on the computer. And tomorrow's the last day of the trip. We're gonna probably go out to eat and I'm gonna vlog more then. Hopefully I'm gonna vlog actually what we're doing, so that'll be fun. Hey guys, so it's 12:30 at night right now and it's the 27th, Sunday the 27th. Tomorrow's the last day of the trip. I'm just packing, getting ready. Tomorrow we're gonna go play basketball, go swimming a bit. I'm probably not gonna go swimming because it's gonna be like 64 degrees and I'm gonna be too cold. And then I'm going to get my hair trimmed and maybe my makeup done by my sister-in-law. She did my nails today. They look super pretty. And then we're gonna go to the Solo movie and then out to eat and then head to the airport. So tomorrow's gonna be really busy. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Okay guys, it's Memorial Day, the 28th of May. So this is our last day. We're gonna leave tonight. My hair's being weird. So we're gonna go play basketball. I'm not gonna play just because I've had neck trouble and I don't want to hurt my neck again. So I'm gonna watch them play and then we're gonna do a bunch of other stuff. So today's gonna be good. Okay guys, don't I look dramatically different? I feel like a model. So my sister-in-law did full face of makeup. She did my nails yesterday and she did my hair. She cut my hair, basically trimmed it, and then I did cut my bangs a little bit more. Don't I look dramatically different? I feel like a model. Yeah. We just went to the dollar store real quick and I found this little elephant and Arlie's nephew is like super into elephants, so we got this for him. It's so cute. So where are we going, hun?
Casa Bonita.
Casa Bonita. Never been there. Doesn't my makeup look like
The Mexican restaurant here in
look like
Denver,
airbrushed?
where they have cliff divers and sopapillas, fried ice cream, and a scary house for the kids.
Sounds like fun. I'm excited. This will be fun. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can of it. Sounds good? Look how pretty that waterfall is. Look how pretty that is. Oh my God. Let's go. I'm already loving this ride. Oh, this is cool. Cliff divers that jump off over there. Hi, hun. How's the food?
Good.
That's really cool.
You can definitely see a lot of people.
Look at all those pretty pink roses.
Yeah, it's probably one of the biggest restaurants I've ever been.
Uh-huh. It is pretty. So we're at the airport, and
Always in Denver.
yeah, our plane's delayed an hour, so we hope it's not going to be worse than that because we both have to work tomorrow. So that would be like awful, but it's delayed yet another hour. So it's going to be lots of fun sitting here for 3 hours. Yeah. Okay guys, so I look awful now. I just look awful. So we finally got on the plane. That was just awful. It was a really bad plane experience. The air wasn't working, the staff was stupid, and the plane was late, and a bunch of other issues. So it was not fun. It was just uncomfortable. The air just wasn't working. So we finally got there. We had to take a cab home because it was just so late. So yeah, and then we get home and we find out that the little kitten locked herself in this bedroom. I don't know when. Thank goodness there was food and water in a litter box in here that I just put out extra because she locked herself in here like a retarded cat. So my adult cat was like out there running the house and my kitten was in here locked like an idiot. So yeah, so it's really late. It's like 1:30 or something. So we're gonna hit the hay. I'm gonna take the makeup off and then I'm gonna go to bed. But thank you guys for watching this vlog, and let me know down below what things you want me to vlog next, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Good night, guys.